D minor first, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we go to A minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to E7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then back down to the A minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to add a little oomph to it, add that chicka. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Do it again for you. Shows you where this lead part will go.
Okay.
And right here's how we'll do the lead.
Little box.
You have your little box, you have your ring finger on the 4th string 7th fret.
Okay.
And we're going to do, I'm going to separate it into 4 separate sections. You're going to do 3 notes per section.
Sure.
Okay? So the first one, you do the 4th string 7th fret. Use your index finger on the 3rd string 5th fret. And then ring finger again on the 3rd string 7th fret.
Okay.
So that's the first 3 notes. That right there. Now we're going to reverse that. This is part 2 right here. You're going to do 3rd string 7th fret, 3rd string 5th fret, and then 4th string 7th fret. Like that right there.
Okay.
So here's part 1. Part 2. Part 3, you're already on this note. You're on the 4th string 7th fret. And you're going to do 4th string 7th fret, 4th string 5th fret, and then this will be the first time we go up to the 5th string 7th fret. Like that right there.
All right.
Okay? So that's part 3. And then part 4 is you start right there on the 5th string 7th fret, 4th string 5th fret, and then end on 4th string 7th fret. Okay?
Okay.
So all together.